To use a vanilla Visa gift card on Sephora, start by ensuring your gift card is activated and has a sufficient balance to cover your purchases. You can check your balance by visiting the Vanilla Visa website or by calling the customer service number provided on the back of the card. Next, navigate to the Sephora website or visit a Sephora store. If you are shopping online, add the items you wish to purchase to your shopping cart. Proceed to checkout and select the payment method as credit card. Enter the gift card number, expiration date, and security code in the required fields. Be sure to enter the address associated with the gift card as the billing address. If you are shopping in store, let the sales associate know that you will be using a Vanilla Visa gift card as payment. They will then prompt you to swipe the card and enter the PIN if required. Some gift cards may not have a PIN, in which case you can simply sign the receipt. It is essential to note that some Sephora locations may have specific policies regarding gift card usage, so it is always a good idea to call ahead and confirm. Additionally, if your purchase amount exceeds the gift card balance, you can use a second payment method to cover the remaining amount. To avoid any issues, make sure your gift card is not expired and has a sufficient balance. You can also use multiple gift cards to combine balances, but this may require assistance from a sales associate. By following these steps and being aware of any potential limitations, you can successfully use your Vanilla Visa gift card on Sephora and enjoy your purchases. Remember to always keep track of your gift card balance and to use it before it expires to get the most value out of your card.